Welcome back to Rigid Security NZ. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently import hundreds or even thousands of users into Integrity Pro using a CSV file. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Integrity Pro software. From the main screen, click on the Administration tab, then select Import Data. Choose your CSV file and click Open to proceed. Step 2. The CSV import window will now appear. In the Select Configuration Preset field, choose Define Settings as you go, and then hit Next. Step 3. In the next window, under CSV Settings, ensure the delimiter is set to comma and select the Has Column Headers option. Then, click Test Import. In my example CSV file, I have only 2 columns, names and card numbers, but you can add other columns based on your site's requirements. Once you're satisfied with your CSV file, click Next. Step 4. Now let's move on to field mapping. Under the Property Name column, click the drop-down arrow and select Cards. In the card number row, direct it to match the appropriate column from your CSV file. Step 5. For the next step, we'll map the card type row. In the Transformation column, select Constant Value and press OK. In the Value tab, link it to the desired card template from the system. This ensures that the cards you're importing will work properly. Make sure the card template is set up in the system before importing the CSV file. Step 6. Now, let's map the usernames. In the Property Name column, select Username and direct it to match the appropriate column in your CSV file. Step 7. Next, we'll assign a constant value for the permission group. This will give all imported users the necessary permission rights to use their cards. Simply follow the steps in the video. Step 8. After completing all the mappings, we're ready to import the data. Hit Next. In the Configure Synchronous Options tab, leave the default settings as they are and click the Import button. The import process will begin, and within seconds, all users will be in the system. Click Finish, and we can now verify if all users have been imported correctly, including their permissions and card types. And that's it. You've now successfully imported users into Integrity Pro using a CSV file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rigid Security NZ for more helpful tech tutorials.